Quick question for you guys. Auto darkening welding masks. Has anyone had one fail because of the cold? This is stored in this soft cotton bag and it's hung up there on my baskets. It doesn't get thrown about, it doesn't get trashed, it gets looked after like all of my tools do. But it stopped working the other day. Took it in the house. I have ordered a whole new mask for one, but in order to try and save this one I also ordered the auto darkening cassette that's in the back. Should be coming today. I put this one on the radiator. It started working again. So, just wondering, has anybody had experience of these failing due to storage in damp, cold conditions? Because it is the garage, it's not the warmest place in the world, but it's working now, it's back in the house. Your help would be gratefully appreciated. Thanks very much.